In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make hidden lines visible in AutoCAD. If your hidden lines have disappeared, it's usually because the layer that controls them is turned off or frozen. The good news is that bringing them back is quick and straightforward, and you'll do it all through the Layer Properties Manager. Start by typing Layer into the command line and pressing Enter. This opens the list of layers in your drawing, where you can see their names, colors, line types, and most importantly, their visibility status. Think of this panel as the control center for what you do and don't see on screen. Next, locate the layer used for hidden lines. Many drawing templates include a dedicated layer for hidden geometry, but you might also be using a custom layer you created for that purpose. Naming conventions vary from one company or project to another, so take a moment to identify the correct one for your file. Once you've found it, click to select it so its settings are in focus. Now, look for the light bulb icon associated with that layer. The light bulb controls whether a layer is on or off. If the bulb looks dim or grayed out, the layer is currently off, which hides everything assigned to it. Click the bulb to turn it on, and you'll see it change into a lit bulb icon. Turning the layer on makes objects on that layer immediately eligible to display in the drawing area. Right next to the bulb, you'll see the freeze control, shown as a snowflake icon. A frozen layer is similar to an off layer, but it's excluded from drawing updates and regeneration. If the snowflake is active, click it to thaw the layer. The icon will switch to a sun, indicating the layer is unfrozen. Thawing ensures the layer participates in the drawing and can update as you pan, zoom, or modify geometry. With the hidden line layer both turned on and thawed, your hidden lines should now be visible on screen. This restores the view you expect without changing any geometry or object properties, only the layer's visibility state. If you're managing multiple layers with similar names, it can help to confirm you selected the intended layer before you close the manager. And there you go. That's all it takes. By using the Layer command, selecting the correct hidden layer, turning on the light bulb, and thawing the snowflake into a sun, you've brought those hidden lines back into view. Keep this workflow in mind. Whenever something seems to disappear, it's often just a quick layer visibility fix.